Unleashing creativity. Go to town, in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, go to town. This expression is a fantastic example of English's colorful idioms, and it can really add some flair to your conversation. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. At first glance, you might think that go to town simply means to travel to the center of a city or a town. However, in English, this phrase has a much more interesting use. When someone says they're going to go to town on something, it means they're going to do something enthusiastically and thoroughly. It often implies doing something with great energy, detail, or extravagance. The phrase, go to town, is believed to have originated in the United States during the early 20th century. It's thought to reflect the idea of people from rural areas heading into town to let loose and enjoy themselves, making the most of the entertainment and opportunities available there. Let's see how go to town can be used in different contexts. 1. Creative projects. She really went to town with her art project. It was incredibly detailed. 2. Partying or celebrating. They are going to go to town with the wedding preparations. 3. Eating. When the pizza arrived, we all went to town on it. 4. Work or tasks. He went to town on the report and finished it in record time. In each of these examples, the phrase indicates doing something with a lot of effort or enthusiasm. For those of you looking to expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for go to town. Pull out all the stops. Spare no effort. Go all out. Do something to the hilt. Using these can add variety to your English and help you convey the same idea in different ways. And that's a wrap on go to town. Remember, this phrase is all about doing something with gusto and passion. It's a great way to express enthusiasm and commitment in English. We hope you had fun learning with us, and we look forward to helping you go to town on your English learning journey. Keep